Hello, hello, hello. How's everybody doing? Hey, what's up, everyone? Hey, Teza. Izu Josh, good morning, FX. Good morning, Izu. What's up? How's everybody doing? How many accounts you guys blow so far? What's the update? Se- Nambi! Nambi. 7 accounts. Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's just the beginning of the week. Luckily, zero. Okay, Sandy. So far, so good, huh? All right, so everybody's here. Let's discuss about the markets. So far, the price is still very, very bullish. This is what the last week of the monthly as well. 100, 2K, 50K, 5. Which one are these? The flex one? If that's direct one, it's a lot. But if it's flex or others, is it the last week or are you talking about today? Okay. So far, yeah, monthly still bullish. Weekly is still pushing up. Daily, yes, it do push up, but we need to see one thing here. Okay, chat. This question is for you. Let's see where we are. Do you see anything strange right now? This is the daily. This is the daily candle. This question is for everybody on the YouTube and on the TikTok. Do you guys see anything different with this daily right now? I have few questions about lucid. Okay, Hawk. Yes, Rick, you got it. But I want to know about these other people if they know. Okay, longs in no wick, too bullish, no pullback. Okay, no lower wick. Yes, Eddie, you're right. No Norway. Now everybody start copying. Like people who don't even know the answer, they're like, it might be no Norway, no Norway. Norway, okay, it has no Norway. Okay, Ricardo. Mm, mm. So what does it mean? Okay, you guys are saying it has no Norway. So what does it mean? No Norway, I copy. Mm. Reverse. Mm. To fill the gap, there is no gap. What do you mean fill the gap? Market might do a strong reversal. Okay. But from where and when? And what are the indications for that, for the reversal? Anybody? Maybe it will flip, but we will have to wait to see. Okay. We'll come back to form a wick. Yes, Longji. That's correct. That is correct. So no lower wick here. This is the next important zone, right? We marked this zone during the New York session. We took a very good buys. The first one, yes, it take us out, stopped out, and BE for me, it take me out at BE. The second one, we took it and it gives us around 150 ticks, and then price drop again, take me out, then starts pushing it up. So two trades, one BE, one is 150 ticks. We'll come back to form a week. Yes, we'll come back a week. So yeah, I was explaining. So I marked these zones for the New York session, and I was expecting the same exact move towards this during the NY session, but the price never gave it. Price, even though it pushed up 150 ticks, but again, price fall, come down again, weakens out, and then starts like doing its thing, like slow range and all that, because there wasn't enough volume. Now, since price is touching this, we need to see in the lower time frame that if it's going to reject from here or give it a closure above, because this is the next very important zone. If we see in the lower time frame, let's say 15, I didn't go to that time frame yet, but I'm just trying to explain you. If we see there is a nice closure above this zone, which is 47.48 to 47.50s, then yes, we have 200-300 ticks clean range towards upside. But before taking those buys, we need to see the closures above. We need to wait for those confirmations. If it gives us, yes, we're definitely going to give it a try. But at the same time, the price can also reject from this zone and then starts dropping from here as well. Okay. Can I pay anybody's rent? Yes, Frank, please pay my $4,000 rent, man. Hope all is well. Yes, Nimuri, everything is well. All's good, man. All's good. All's good. Okay, now there might have some chances that the price is gonna retrace and reject and then fall, and then the daily might come down to create that lower wick. Pass my email. What else you need? What else you need? Just follow the trends. Just follow the push. That's it. That's all you need. Go on where, Mr. Wall? Who are you? And why you said go on? You don't have nothing on your profile. Okay, there are. Now, can we look for some cells rejecting this zone, looking for this that lower wick at the bottom, or no? What you guys think? Because I'm only gonna look for buys once it gives me a closure above this zone. Other than that, price might come down, create some support, and then we can look for those buys. But from here, if we try to take the cells, that won't be bad. Why? Because this 15 is basically breaking the previous 15, and if you put your stops at these current highs at this zone, above this zone, and looking for that cells and further down, that's not a bad trade. But again, if you go to the higher time frame, if you go to the hourly 30 minutes, then it might flip. Once it gives a closure above, that's going to be a nice price. But if it's staying below, ranging, respecting the zones, not breaking above, then yeah, it can fall from here. Any questions? Yeah, this is the my buying zone, because I like to buy from highs and I like to sell from lows. That's how I trade. Hello everyone. Hey, what's up, Muller? Wajid bhai, no. Just like that. No. It could. Okay. It could. Welcome back. No words for question, bro. I know, Wajid. Wajid bhai, I know. Chi. By the way, how are you? How's your trading going on? How many payouts you get so far this month? सर आप हमें छोड़ के कहाँ चले गए थे? इधर ही थे भाई, इधर ही थे. थोड़ा बिजी था लाइफ में, बट इधर ही था. Anyways, guys, I know when I was gone, did you guys eat your nuts? Actually, these are pecans. Before getting into those buys, we need to eat some. So far, market is moving very strange. I know the trend is still bullish, but if you move to the lower time frames, it's very shitty price action. Even though you're trying to bias, right? You are in bias, but most likely it will take you out and then push in your direction. Same thing you see here. You take the buys, price come down, take you out again. Take the buys, price come down, take you out, then buy. Buys again, buys again, buys again. So the same thing can happen here as well. But before taking those buys, we need to wait for the closures above. That's it. Thank you for what? How's my snake? Yeah, my snake eye, she was missing me as well. How many of you miss snake eye? How's NQ doing? Should we add NQ in our portfolio? Only you, Paji, you can keep snake. I made me miss you. Yeah, Sandy, miss you too, guys. It's only one session, guys. It's only it. I was only away for one session. It wasn't allowed though because of the moving. Yes, Nambi miss Snake Eye. Hello, hello, hey Dinah, what's up? Hey sister, Mister. Yeah, Kitty's not here yet. Otherwise, hey sister, bestie. Okay, yeah, back to NQ, guys. Do you want me to like also add NQ in our portfolio when the gold is doing nothing? I know most of you also trade NQ. It's been a while since I trade NQ though. I've been only trading gold. No. This is like a big no. Exactly no. Okay. Type 1 for just stay on the goal. Type 2 only NQ. And type 3 for both. Let's see. Okay. Kitty says 1, 1. Samito 1. Number is 3. Okay. Tom is 7. Maybe he wants to add the about other forex pairs. Okay. 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 3. Okay. Awesomeness 3. Long G is 3. Gintonic is 1. How would you compare them? I don't. That's what I'm saying. I don't. NQ is only good for NY. Tom is 3. Okay. Mark is 1. Do silver. Mr. Muggy Slug. Why do you still have that name? I told you to change your name from Muggy Sluggy. Okay, so what I see here is 1 and 3. Nobody likes to just trade NQ. People either likes to trade gold or NQ with gold. But most of my VIPs, they're like, no. Simple no, just stay on the gold. Okay. All right. So this 15, I mean, do push up, but still not enough. Let's see. So yeah, guys, we are staying on the gold. Don't worry. I'm just. Oh, why it shows? Yeah, this was the trade from the NY. Yeah, I don't know why. I think when you refresh it, it shows the previous trades. Okay. So yeah, everybody wants to trade NQ, right? So yeah, we're gonna move to NQ now. Okay, look at the rejection. Whenever the price touch this, you see here, this one, I mean, in the 15, it push up a nice big push up. But then as soon as it touch it, boom, it's telling us there is something. There is maybe a big bouncer is sitting here with his dangerous smile. And whenever break-in or Asif or Tim or Sandy, these people try to push the price up. This bouncer bounce the price, boom, back in the downside. And Schwab, All right. And Schwab as well. Yeah. That makes a big difference, all right? Why I feel like listening this song? All right, another try. Let's see. All we need to see a one nice closure above the zone for taking those buys. Once the price close nicely above that zone, it's going to be good buys. If it's if it keeps rejecting that, then it's going to be tough. By the way, guys, Tradify it launches a new account size that's 300K. Um, but I don't like it. Like even though it's 300K, you have the 6,000 drawdown, but you need to make 14,000 with that, the max drawdown, right? So same idea with the top step. They have 250K account with max $10,000 drawdown, 5,000 daily loss limit, and you have the 15,000 profit target with approximately same price, I would say. Yeah, maybe 100, 150 more. But again, if it's a, wait, let me confirm the price. If it's under 500, then it's worth it. If it's above 500, then no. Even though I'm affiliate with them and all that, but it is what it is, right? So yeah, the 300K account, okay, 450, yeah, okay. Yeah, it's still, I mean, it's below 500, but still a lot. 450 for 300K, which you're gonna get the $6,000 max drawdown. This one, I don't know if you guys seen this. Let me show you. All right, so this is this one, right? So you will get 300K account for 450, three users per trader, 14,000 profit target, end of day loss limit. That's a very good thing. End of day loss limit, because most of these big accounts, for example, Apex, they give you intraday. The other thing is 40% consistency rule. That's fine. No daily loss limit. That's good. Payout, you can either get the daily or the 5 day one once you get past this account, right? All things are good, but max loss limit and profit target, mm, I mean, with the top step, they will give you $10,000 max drawdown. Yeah, it is $100 more, but they will give you bigger drawdown with this almost the same profit target. Plus, you can also withdraw 25,000. What is the max payout? Oh, I just closed it. I have 50 USD. Yeah, just send it to me, Talib. Just send it to me, man. I need to eat some dinner tonight, please. I have nothing at home right now to eat, so yeah, the max uh, daily loss limit 5, starting 3, max payout. Okay, so with the daily, you can withdraw 3,500 with the flex one. Okay, 10,000. That's not bad at all. That's it. But again, if you want to try, I would say, I mean, I don't think the top step they have right now opening for those accounts 250K ones, but whenever they open, try those ones first. Select is good. Let's you get daily payouts. Growth wants you to profit of 5 days before. Yeah, select is good. Yeah, I like the select ones. And yeah, they're good. They are good, and you can the only good thing about like the Tradify is like which differentiate with the other firms. Like you can choose either 5 days or the daily payouts. Right, that's a plus point. But again, you need to choose wherever you're comfortable with, right? Whatever you're comfortable with, like, are you good with the end of the drawdown, intraday drawdown, daily payouts, 5 days, consistency rule? So everybody have different personality, right? Some people they just YOLO, they're just like, okay, I'm gonna try in first trade. I'm gonna try to above the buffer to get that daily payout. Some people they like their small wins, build their buffer over few days or few weeks, and then take the payout. So it varies person to person. Hey, Mr. Spark with some sparking in the chat. What's up? How are you doing? No hate to me is great. Who are you, Kitty? Who are you? Yeah, today is opposite. Usually everybody come here. Hi, Kitty. Hello, Kitty. How are you, Kitty? Nobody ask me how are you. Now I think they understand my value. I would say like they didn't see me for one session. They're like, let him treat well today. All right. So if the price gives us a closure below this zone, should we try to take those cells, which is anti-trend though? But do you want to risk it to take those cells? Tell me. Can what? Mr. Muller, why you like to just write or type one word? Are you here to troll, Mr. Muller? Are you here to troll? Because if you are, I have a gift for you. Love it? Love it what? Okay. You guys already know who's here. Snake Eye is back, guys. Snake Eye is back. Hello. All right, this is the volume time. So next 1 hour, hour and 30 minutes, we're gonna see something, some good, something is cooking right now. Okay, the 15 is about to close. Same with the 30. Okay, we have very clean range on the left. Once it gives a nice closure above the zone, we have a clean range towards upside, 2 300 ticks. Again, use your bullets wisely. Snake Eye, yes, Jin. Jin, did you get that account? Is it working now? Speaking of account, guys, should we do the giveaway tonight? Since we're back, should we do the giveaway? All right, so should we do with the freeloaders or with the hmm, loader is back? What was your question about the account? Did you get it? आपकी okay. Yes, sir. All right. That's good. Whatever you decide, it's okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see if there's something fun happening in the market, we're gonna do something. Otherwise, it's slow, then we'll see. We'll see. Okay. All right. So far, tomorrow we have medium impact news at 10, but Wednesday is going to be good. Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday and Friday is going to be good one. We need some external liquidity for push. Yes. Is that external liquidity guy here in the chat? If you're here, man, you wanna tell me about your internal and external affairs with the liquidity? Okay, price is again about to break its highs. Very okay. It looks like it's just gonna, but I want to see a closure above at least maybe 15 or 30, right? I mean, if hourly close above, that's even much better. for those buys. Yo, bro, yo, Harmon. What's up, man? How you doing? Mr. Harmon is back. Where have you been, man? Long, long time no see. No, Spark, I don't have bottom week on the daily. Nope. That's why I was waiting for that on the 30, but price is still, it might not give us the lower week. Like if it gives a closure above, it just keep continue pushing it up, who knows? Very, very shoppy. Hello, Mr. AFX. Hello, Mr. Breaking. Breaking, are you still alive? Yes, I'm alive. Is the breakout coming? Okay, now the price is pushing up. At this time, all we need to wait for a nice closure above for looking for those awesome buys entries all the way up. And then we're gonna use the next candle for putting our stop loss at that point. Okay. Yeah, 6 more minutes. I'm just waiting for the closure. Tap to 50K for giveaway? Kitty. For freeloaders? Kitty is uh, becoming very, what you say, like giver. Like, okay, guys, if we hit how many likes you said? How many likes you set the target for 50K? No, I okay. Saimoto said 50K. No, 30K so far. Yeah. No kidding. I'm saying that is the 50K likes or 50K account giveaway? Please elaborate that. 50K likes. Oh, I thought you said 50K giveaway. So, all right, guys. Once we hit 50K likes, we're gonna do a 25K giveaway for. Actually, once we hit 50K likes, we're gonna do a 50K eval for the VIPs. Once we hit 100K likes, we're gonna get a 25K for the freeloaders. How about that? Yes, no, maybe. Or is that too much? Please tell me. If you think 100K is too much for you guys, then we can do 75K. That's the best we can do. थोड़ा कम कर दो 75K Sandy YG for you. 75K likes. So nice of you. Why I feel sarcasm in your message? So nice of you. It's like so nice of you. Like, come on. Why you want us to tap? Because I want you to do something. G plus. Yes. Yes. This is the volume time as well. So yes. Hourly is also about to close. Hey Kitty, just because you just get funded, you pass your eval, it doesn't mean you go full port on the G plus setup. Sorry, I'm a Spanish speaker. Okay, all right, no worries. Why 50K first for VIP? Because they are the VIPs, and wherever you go, let's say you go to Disney World, you have two lines. One is the lightning, one is the for the VIPs, and one is for the freeloaders, right? So you need to choose, you know, make sense? Okay, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's see. Let's go, 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 go. Hmm. Snake Eye dancing on the Punjabi song. Look at. She's talented. Now imagine she's doing this DJ in a Punjabi world. Now I want to see this 30 push down one more time. And when it starts breaking, not right now, w- it needs to come down first. And when it starts pushing up, that's the point where I'm going to take buys. Otherwise, the hourly is also about to close, the 30 is also about to close, the 15 is the same time, right? So that's going to be very, very ideal. Why we need to wait a lot and all that? Because we try to catch that move so we don't have to deal with drawdown. But still, all the trades are not guaranteed. That's how I take trades. But if you want to take those buys, sells, whatever in your mind, just do it. Don't try to copy me. Don't try to take all those setups. Yes, sometimes I win big, but also sometimes it hit my ass up. So all the wins and losses I'm taking, and you are copying and you're basically taking my losses and wins. You're not gonna learn anything. And sorry for now. Yeah. साड़ी पहना के और हॉट हो जाएगी भाई. Okay. Sure, Mr. Muller. Again. 15 is flipping. All right, it gives that lower wick. Once this 15 starts breaking those highs, how much is the pip difference? 20 ticks. Yeah, once this 15 starts breaking its highs, so the safe stop loss you can put at the previous 15. But if you don't want to risk that much, you can use um, the current 15 lows. Okay, easy peasy. Hola, hola, Mr. Critch. Critch, Critch. Yeah, once this 15 starts breaking its highs, that's going to be a flies. But, there's always a but. What? What's that but? The hourly is also about to close in 9 minutes. The next, if this hourly gives a closure like this, on the flip of the next one, it's gonna be a big, big, big boost. Okay, just telling you, just letting you right now, letting you know right now. कल कड़ी होंगे भाई एक दिन छुट्टी की यार आपका कड़िच what happened on you trade on your personal capital right or pro firm आपको बोला था ट्राई करो लूसिड और ट्रेडिफाई oh prop is fine man prop is fine it's fine prop is normal yes I bought lucid okay yeah nothing to worry about with the prop पाजी डांस करो लो पाजी anything else ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਯਾਰ ਚਾਬੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਖਿਡੌਣਾ ਹੀ ਸਮਝ ਲਿਆ ਹੈ पाजी डांस करो पाजी ट्रेड दो पाजी गिव इट दो पाजी की करे यार डांस वाला फिर यार ट्रैक होना चाहिए टाइसन भाई I only dance with Snake Eye, guys. I don't dance with random people. Only me and Snake Eye. That's it. Okay, 15 never flip. Pushing down. We need to wait for that. Again, the hourly is also, if it gives a big wick at the top, then it might be rejection. Let's see. So next 7 minutes will tell us the move for the Tokyo. Okay. Again, if this hourly able to close above, this is going to be a nice super duper G plus towards upside. If it gives a closure below, we'll see. Everybody, please pray that this hourly gives a closure above that zone so we can take a nice buys at that point. आपका नाम मेरा नाम मोहब्बत I don't like this hourly closure, guys. I don't like it. Still have 3 more minutes. Let's see if anything can happen. Anything can happen in next 3 minutes. Let's see. 2 more minutes. Price is trying to push up again. Let's see. Right, it looks like it's rejecting from there. Too much. Yeah. All right, so 15. That was a crazy drop, though. Yeah, that's why you need to wait for those closures and those flips because the price literally reject that zone. What? More than 200 ticks. That's crazy. No, but whenever you open the bigger time frame, it will tell you, okay, the price is pushing up. But whenever you come to the lower time frame, man, it's a completely different story. I mean, for the sell side, the volume is good though. Like the if the price drop like 200, more than 200 ticks in what, like 20 minutes? Yeah, but the issue is we cannot even, I cannot even take the cells because for taking those cells, I want to see closure below these zones, right? If that not happening, I mean, it's fine. Now, if this hourly flip, right, how much the stop loss will be? It's going to be around, okay, the stop loss is going to be big. But you see the closure, the previous one, it closed below that zone. So I don't think it's even worth it to take the risk right now. We need to wait more. Until then, we can do the giveaway. So let's hit 50K likes and then we start the giveaway, okay? So what you guys think? If this hourly flip, do you wanna take a try to take the buys? Yes? No? Maybe? No. Okay. Quantum is saying yes. Shave is yes. Mark is yes. Maybe. Now Kamil is like maybe. First he said no. Then he said people are saying yes. And then he's like maybe. Suniko is yes. Yusuf is no. Kamil is like nah. Now he's changed his mind again. Kamil, you need to stay on one decision, man. Muller, yes. Ku, yes. Okay. Yeah, market is moving like a toilet seat right now. Next week we have NFP, right? Next week. Oh yes, next week is, I mean, NFP. NFP week is always great. That's where we make most amount of money on those things. Anyways, at this point, yeah, let's see. There's still, if this hourly flip give us some buys, we just try to follow the trend. That's it. Otherwise, if it's range or push down, it is what it is. It's fine. We always try to look some good trades, some good confirmations. If the market is not doing it, we don't have to force it, because that's where we have the problem, right? Once we start forcing those trades, and then we have some serious issue. If candle break previous candle low and then breaks its own highs, it's high probability to go up. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Because this might be kind of fake out, right? And once this hourly starts breaking its highs, but you see that even though it breaks the previous hourly lows, but now it's again pushing it up and following the trend. If the trend is, let's say, if the trend is bearish, I would say yes. I would say no. But again, the price is still in the bullish momentum. I would say just keep following it. And once it starts breaking those highs, you can place your stops at this current hourly low and looking for those buy position. But again, it's going to be now riskier. Why? Because it gives a closure below the zone. If it gives a closure above this zone, then it would be a G plus setup. But right now it's not. If you want to risk it to take biscuit, it's up to you. Once the candle, I mean this hourly flip or breaks its highs, most likely we can say that. If not, if the price stays below, well, it's fine. Nobody's forcing, right? Yeah. Guys, make trading simple and easy. Don't make it too complicated for yourself. The things, I mean, you're gonna see much cleaner setups when you're doing without when you're trading without using any indicators on the chart. Okay, so maybe on the flip of this hourly we can look for some buy entry right there. Did he saying reset? Does it mean reset your account? Okay, I'm gonna try my trade on the flip of this hourly. Okay, the risk I was gonna use at giving a closure above, now I'm gonna use half of that. Okay, so now what we need to do here, we just need to wait for the flip, wait for that confirmation. That's it. Easy peasy. Guys, if you're new here, make sure you hit the follow, okay? We are 10K away from starting the giveaway, okay? The first giveaway is going for the VIPs, the 50K account giveaway. Then the next one is going to be for the freeloaders. That's going to be the 25K, okay? Okay, let's change the vibe. It's bye bye, Snake Eye. I'm gonna see you later, Snake Eye. Better. Goodbye. Hey, thanks for the heart me. Guys, if you didn't send the heart me, make sure. Is my gallery filled? Or you guys don't care about that anymore? Yeah, make sure you fill up the gallery if you can. Because I know most people watching me are brokies. They don't even have one penny to send me heart me, so can't say anything. Okay, look at Gin Tonic sending those hearts. Yeah, Gin Tonic, can you check the gallery and see if you can do anything there? I think that filling up the gallery help you to push your live. All right, looks like the hourly is about to flip. Once the candle flip, it's going to be a nice push up. Guys, we also have the free Discord. If you wanna be a part of the community, join the free Discord. Okay. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the follow because this push is about to come, the owl is about to flip, and it's gonna give us a nice push. At least if we see this weak fill, that's more than 100 ticks, and further push up, that's going to be around 200-300 ticks. I sent 400 comments to your live. You're a pro now, Shweb. Show A. Now it's getting very slow. Slow market. Slow, slow, slow. This is Spark's favorite song, by the way, guys. If you're wondering, and his favorite movie. Hey, Jane, thanks, man. Thanks. Looks like all whales have taken the money to crypto. Hmm. Yes, man. You're speaking that typical online day in a millionaire trader language, though. You know how big the gold market is as compared to any other asset class in the world. NQ is doing nothing. I think we should start trading NQ just for fun, and we should trade 1 minute and 5 minutes. How about that? 1 minute and 5 minute in NQ. You think we're gonna do good in that? Yeah. For next few days, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna observe the market. Okay. Instead of taking the trades, we're gonna assume those trades. No NQ. Okay. No BTC is on a bull run. What are your thoughts? Nothing. We discussed this before breaking that it can, I mean, the bull run is coming by the end of the year. The gold is still in the bull run, and it will probably gonna break all-time highs. Who knows? Same with the Bitcoin. I mean, below 100K, it's still a very, very good price. If you're looking at the investment perspective, NQ is, yeah, big well. Yes. No, I'm not talking about I'm gonna trade right now. I'm just saying like let's observe this, like what's happening, you know. Let's see how NQ reacts during the Asian session and New York session. That's it. But yes, gold is my one and only love though. Nobody can beat gold for sure. Alright, once it starts breaking these highs, It's going to be a nice push for that. But people who didn't do anything with the Bitcoin when it was 65s and 60s, now it's pushing up. Now all these traders, they're getting the FOMO, and you're gonna see all these cockroaches, those crypto traders, they're gonna come out from their hole. And now they're like, look guys, I told you this, right? You didn't heard from them for past few months, right? And now suddenly everybody is gonna sound like so much pro that they know what's happening in the crypto and why it's pushing up and all that. You're gonna now next few weeks you're gonna experience that. If you're on the social media, any platform, you're gonna see that. Just keep your eye and mind open when they tell you something. About the debate 68K, would like to add more if it retraces a little bit. For long term break-in, why don't you just do the DCA? Like why, or just buy, I mean, whatever amount you want to invest, just buy every single day or every single week, however you want to do it. That's the best way to do it for long run, yes. So if you buy, let's say, for $50 or $25 every single day for the next 3 to 5 years, man, you're gonna have good amount of Bitcoin, including the bull runs and the big drops in that. You're gonna have a good piece of Bitcoin in your portfolio. But most people, they're not gonna do it. Why? Because they want the quick money, they want the easy money, and they wanna be when the price is already pushed up so much. Now they have the FOMO and now they wanna buy it. And as soon as they're gonna buy it, they're gonna see a nice drop in the price. And now they're gonna hold it until the next bull run. So there are ways how you invest your money wisely, of course. Okay, this never flipped. The price is still pushing down. I don't think it will come up again. It might go for that daily lower wick. Yeah, it looks like no trade for this session. Yeah, this 4 hour, the way it's, I mean, if it gives a wick like this and the flip, the next one, oh man. Oh, ah. It looks like it's gonna drop further. Now in this beautiful price section, what can you do? It's not pushing up, it's not dropping at all. Because as soon, I'm telling you this right now, as soon as you try to take your cells right here, it's gonna activate it, drop a little bit, and then boom back in. It's gonna be in this range. So it is now shopping and confusing same time. Daily have no lower wick, 4 hour have no lower wick. Hourly is pushing down. Most likely it's gonna reject from the top and gonna close bearish. Same with the 30 and 15. Mm, very nice. Okay, 30 is flipping, pushing down. Do you want to take those buys here? I'm not. Okay, we hit finally 50K likes. Let's do the giveaway, guys. How about that? If we see anything, because right now it's just ranging, nothing is happening. Should we do giveaway or no? After I done this giveaway, right? If we still didn't hit 75K likes, then there's not going to be the second one. So first let's add. So this was the winner from the last time. It was Jane versus me, and he won it. So yeah, this is going to be for all the VIPs. Kitty, Spark. Who else is here? We have Tim. Eddie cannot have it, so he's already max funded. I don't know why he want that. I have Annie. All right, Eddie. Eddie, you cannot have it, man. But I will add you for fun. Let's see. Ricardo. All right, Ricardo. You're not in restricted country, right? Yes, Asif, of course. We have Tessa, the firefighter. Dream, Imran Khan, mm, Asif, Bablu Bhai. We have Daquan, Jim, K, Nambi, Keisha, Naskir, Nicole, Pablo Escobar, Fancy Pants, Shoaib, Zero, the Hyper. Here. All right, everybody is in, right? If anybody is missing, let me know. So we start spinning the wheel. Yeah, price is moving nothing. The 30 is stuck there. 5, same thing. 15, same thing, same thing. Your name was first Kitty. Yeah. Kitty never pay attention here. That's why. Just a bit. All adds up. Just a bit. Mm. Did you put my name? Nambi. Can you tell? Tradify doesn't work in my country. Lucid or Tradify? This is the Lucid. All right, should we start spinning the wheel? Type 1 in the chat, guys. Let's spin the wheel. And for the freeloaders, guys, when we're done with this wheel, if we didn't hit 75k likes, then no more spin for you guys. I'm gonna call it a night then. Yes, let's go. Okay. Yeah, Nicole, you're already in. Don't worry. All the VIPs are in. You miss me, Mr. FX. You miss me. You will miss me. Yes, the next spin I'm gonna put you on, Mr. FX. All right, ready, guys? Let's spin. So this is going to be last man stand, right? Or the first one? How you guys wanna do it? I think since it's the VIP, let's do the last man standing, right? That's not. Yeah. All right. I'm look, guys. I am doing shuffling here, right? This is the shuffle, so this is not rigged. This is shuffling. Can you see it? It's all shuffle. If my name comes first, then first man. Yeah, first man to get out. All right, let's do it. Last man standing. Let's see who's gonna win this. Who is the first lucky guy to get out from this? And then Asif, here you go. Whatever you're saying, it's true, man. It's true. He comment before this. It's like if my name comes first, then first man. आसिफ आसिफ भाई कुछ और ही मांग लेते कबूल हो जाता. It's rigged, Asif. Yes. Whoever say okay, Reem. Bye bye, Reem. Whoever say anything in the chat, it's gonna now Spark. You're next. Look, you're gonna be next. And show Abe, show Abe. Nicole. Yeah, everybody who's getting out, they're saying it's strict, it's strict. But if Spark wins, he's gonna be like, no, it's not rigged, it's fine, yes. Why do you feel like your wheel doesn't like these all are premiums? Come on. And oh, Kitty Imran, close call. Kitty, close call, close call. You don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need it. Now, Spark, are you happy now if Kitty is also out and Reese is also out? Mr. Bablu or Jane? It's Jane, the winner from the last one. He is officially out. That's good. Why I see Kitty two times, right? Isn't it the previous one the Kitty was out? Guys, the isn't the Kitty she's already out? No, Imran. Oh, sorry. Why I keep thinking about that the Kitty is out? It was Imran. Okay. Why you're not on the wheel? I will do a surprise entry. That's why to rig the match. All right, fancy pants or Teza, fancy pants. No more fancy pants. And Teza twice. Now it's rigged, right? Mr. Numby. Guys, if you think it's rigged, please tell me I can do the shuffle anytime. Okay, I will do this shuffle for you. If you think that will change a thing. That's it. All right, Tim, Mr. Audi guy, or any. No, it's Tim. No more Audis for you, man. Mr. Ricardo Brown. Time to say bye bye. Kitty is still surviving. How come, Mr. Daquan? How come Kitty is still in? You know what? Let's do the shuffle. Let's do some shuffle. Hmm. Now spin it again. It just Mr. Yeah. Twice. Nicole twice. Zero. Mr. Zero the hype. You're out. Lakeisha. Lakeisha. Now you're out finally, Lakeisha. What happened? Did I get shoveled? No, you're out, Spark. You're out. Mm, Eddie or Pablo? Mr. Pablo Escobar. Eddie is still surviving so far. Why I have a feeling that Eddie is gonna win, even though he cannot able to trade on that account. So it depends on Eddie. Either he can, if he win, either he can do the respin or he can give it to anybody in the VIP. K. I don't think she's here though. Annie, are you here? Annie is active though. Mm, dim, dim, dim. Guys, why she's here? Why Kitty is still here? Okay, it makes sense for the Bablu. He went previously. He's lucky guy. Mr. Mo. Okay, he's new. Eddie. I mean, even if he win, doesn't matter. But why Kitty is here? Why? Is this thing really rigged? Hmm. You know what? Let me shuffle again. Let me shuffle again. This thing looks rigged. I had a hater. Yeah. But Kitty, your haters become your biggest supporters later. Don't forget. Wait. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Look, Kitty, even Dinah is doing boo to you. She's like, boo, Kitty, boo. All right. Now it's between Bablu, Mr. Mo, Eddie, and Mr. AFX. Guys, pray for me. If I win, we can do this respin, and you guys have another chance to win this. Or maybe Eddie, who knows. But if Bablu wins, Bablu Paji is gonna like give it to me, man. Give it to me. I don't care about anybody here. Or Mr. Mo. I'm not sure if he's active right now. Yes, Bablu is like, yes, this Tyson guy, he's the Bablu. He's like, yes, I'm not gonna give it to anybody. All right, let's see. Let's shuffle again. Who's next? Guys, who is going to be next? Message in the chat. Who's going to be next? Let's see. Who is you think gonna be out from it? Meanwhile, gold is just stuck at that. It just stick it there in this 72.20 to 72, 47.20 to 47.25. Okay, Kitty is saying AFX. Kitty, you're a hater. Eddie. Why everybody saying Eddie? Come on, guys. Eddie is your golden ticket. AFX or Eddie is going to be your golden ticket. You're on the wrong side. You know that, right? Because if me or Eddie win, you guys have still chance for the respin. But if Bablu wins or Mr. Mo wins, there's going to be no chance. So, okay, if you said Eddie, your call. Let's see. Let's see. I think I should start listening to chat more now. That was impressive. Okay, who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Well, I made it so far. Yes, that was good. But you should learn from Mr. Asif. Always, first one, top 5 or top 10 at least. Mr. Asif, always. I never seen Asif playing till last. All right, next one is Bablu, right? Mr. AFX. Okay, AFX now or Bablu. Why nobody's paying attention to Mr. Mo? Mr. Mo. Let me make it smaller so you will know. Mr. Mo. All right, AFX or Bablu or Mr. Mo. Bablu, okay. Let's see. Let's see. Mr. Mo. Mr. Mo. Congratulations, you're out. Now, this is going to be interesting. This is going to be good. We have, of course, the one and only Mr. AFX and Mr. Bablu. Now type 1 for AFX, type 2 for Bablu. Let's see. Bablu or AFX? Who's going to be the next? And Bablu. Wait, guys, wait, 1 second. Wait. Mr. Bablu, Tyson, how you want to do it? Do you want to do the last man standing still, or you want to be the first person? Like whoever this arrow is going to land or name show up is the winner. We always give that option to the last person. So you can choose either way. Okay, the first person. So let's say if this arrow lands on my name, I will be the winner. But if it lands on your name, but this is the last man, I'm gonna be the winner, right? Right, Tyson? Why? Okay, he don't get it. All right, Tyson. So the first man winner, right? Let's okay. Now, chat. Everybody's saying one. It's mean AFX is going to win. AFX. Okay. All right. Should I spin? Ready for the spin? Now it's pushing down again. All right, so Bablu said whoever this arrow lands on means the first name show up is the winner. Ready? Three, two, one. बबलू भाई हाथ हो गया आपके साथ. Gio. So, what should I do with this account? Hmm. What should I do with this account? Give it to me. Okay, guys, let's tap to the 75k and we're gonna spin for the freeloaders. Okay, do it, hurry up. And how we're gonna add those freeloaders from, I would say, from YouTube. So message on the YouTube, so I start adding you there. Okay, this is going to be for everybody. Once we hit 75k likes, we're gonna do the giveaway for 25k account for the everybody. After that, if we have enough time, we can do maybe respin for the 50k for the VIPs. Okay, cool. So message on the YouTube chat. Make sure you subscribe that channel and you are in the Discord, because you know the deal. You will get 10 seconds to message in the Discord. If you miss that, we're gonna spin it again for somebody else. Okay, let's start with Jojo. I'm gonna see message one by one. So bro, don't write bro. Just write your name. Amir. Okay, Amir. Sia Sia Bonga, Mr. Jose, of course. Mr. Jose, I don't think you're gonna win. Yo, yo, Barry Mama? Is it you, Kitty? Madam All Minus, right? It's all adds up, so all minus. Yes. Okay. Yo. Why you write yo? That's not your style though. It's not you. It's not you, right? Load up. Load up. G Rider. Okay, G Rider is here. Ijaz. Okay. It is okay, it's you. All right. Just confirming. All right. Anybody else wants to participate in this giveaway? Message on the YouTube chat. Don't write yo, don't write pro, don't write pro. Just type your name and make sure you subscribe that YouTube channel. Once we hit 75k likes, I'm gonna spin this wheel. I'm not gonna wait for anybody. Oh, let me join, let me come here, where to message. No. Once we hit 75k likes, I'm gonna start spinning the wheel. So make sure you do it quickly, because the sooner you will do it, the less entries we're gonna have. in this. Right now, so far, we have how many? Just 10 entries. Okay, mark. The daily flipped. Oh, okay, good call though. Yeah. The daily flip, should we try to take the cells here if we place our stops at this current hourly highs right here? Okay, and looking for those cells, because if the daily is flipping, it's mean it will push down. Okay, so I'm gonna wait, let me see. Okay, 15:35. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna take the cells right here on the flip of this daily. Gonna place the stops at this current highs. Okay, and currently I'm in this position right now. Okay, yeah, thanks for letting us know, Nicole. Because the daily is flipping, most likely it will push down further more. So as soon as you're up 50-60 ticks, even lower than that, just do the break even, right? But we have 150 ticks on the left, if you can see on the charts. So far oh, it's dropping, it's dropping. Look at the 80 ticks just like that. Dang. The volume is here, guys, the volume is here. So far, I am up 60 ticks. I get a little bit delayed entry, but from this entry, we are up 80 ticks. If you want to do the BE right now, you can do it. It's totally up to you, Cole. This trade goes to Nicole. She's the one who mentioned about that flip. Otherwise, I was too busy here doing these giveaways. Okay. So it already dropped like 80 ticks. Now risk free, because I think the amount of volume we're having right now, the prices still continue gonna drop from here. Looking at the clean range on the left, we still have around 30-40 ticks to catch up. That was very quick trade though. It was very quick, and without getting into the drawdown. That's the purpose for what we do here, what we wait for those flips or long-term wait, so we don't have to deal with the drawdowns. I mean, sometimes yes we do, but most of the time we try to take the exact entry, so as soon as we get in, the price either push up or drop and goes towards our direction. That's why we wait for those volumes. Make it simple, guys, make it easy, right? And you need to build that system where you can catch these moves over and over again, not one time, not two times, but every single day. Okay, so far I'm still up like around 70 ticks from this drop. That's more than enough. 70 ticks, I mean, in this messy price action, guys, don't get too greedy. Okay, if price is giving you 70-80 ticks, that's more than enough. That's more than it. Okay, almost 90 ticks, and it's breaking its lows. And if you remember what I said, like once the price starts breaking the lows or highs and there's volume incoming, most likely the price starts dropping. So this was the prime example of taking that impulsive entry, impulsive move, right? That's why I said you need to be very quick and sharp to taking these setups. If you are slow, yes, we do wait a lot, but sometimes you need to jump in to take advantage of that. Okay. Now you need to do the risk free, you need to take the partials, however you want to do it, it's up to you. I already told you like every single day how to do that. If you're still struggling with that, if you still have questions about that, ask in the chat. Don't be shy. Don't think, oh, what's others going to think about you. Nobody cares. Everybody here just for one purpose, and that's making money and learn how to make that money. So if you're not going to ask questions, you're going to be stuck at the same place. Okay. All right. 90 ticks. The price is, I think, up. Yeah, more than 100 ticks, like 110 ticks. But from my entry, it's 90 ticks. I get like 30 ticks delay. Easy peasy. How many of you are in the cells or take those cells? I know that was quick and fast. Okay, Jane is in. Ashu, you guys are quick, man. You guys are fast. You're like, trade is coming. Let's do this, Sal. Let's do this buy. All right. Should we get back to the giveaway? We are 10K away from the giveaway as well. All right, guys. Message on the YouTube chat so we can start doing it. Okay. The other thing is, should I do the giveaway only on the YouTube? Yeah, okay, let me add everybody, then I'm only gonna spin the wheel on the YouTube. Okay, because then I would say it's not fair for the YouTube people, because if you're on the TikTok you will get quicker, but if you're on the YouTube, you know, and then everybody have the same playing field. I mean, even though I choose the ultra low latency on the YouTube live, but still, it's little delayed as compared to TikTok. So, yeah, first we get the entries on the YouTube chat, and then congrats to who, Nicole, for the winning trade. By the way, uh, I don't think we hit the low since we're back, right? So this was today's NY session. So if you see, we took those buys. The first one is BE. The second one, we took the buys right here. And after that, risk free, we do the risk free, and then 150 ticks in New York session. Now in the Asian session, we took the sells, price drop. Right now we're up like around 80-90 ticks as well. I'm still expecting maybe a little bit further more, like 50-60 ticks. Once it breaks this zone, then we can see a bigger push down. That's going to be another 200-300 ticks, who knows. But of course the move for the session is already done. You see this big drop, a price push up gives a rejection and then drop. It's a lot of movement. If you count the people, that's around 500 ticks push up and then 500 ticks push down. That's a lot. All right, it's still dropping. Let's see. Yo, yo, Mr. Hello Teacher, yo. What is yo? All right, guys, message on the YouTube chat if you want to participate in this. So far, I have Jojo, Amir, Sia, Bonga, Jose, all minus, Loda, G Rider, Ijaz, Kitty. What kind of this name is? Load up and G Rider. What kind of this name? Sandy, Mark, Rasta, Muller. Okay, and the price is also dropping. Wins are everywhere, guys. One trade, guys, all you need is one good trade per session. That's it. That's the point we are doing this on the high time frame. I mean, we can also look for the 1 minute and 5 minutes, but one good trade, that's all you need. I took the sell the second of the 1 hour, the second, the 1 hour. Okay, this one. Oh, you're having a better entry ID. So you're like around 200 ticks, Mr. Addy. That's good. That's good. Good, man. Good. Congrats. That is great. Okay. So, yeah. Man, I'm trying to finish up this giveaway, man. Please hit 75K so I just spin the wheel. Hurry up. All right. Anybody else? Yeah, trading solution, of course. Mr. Trading Solution. Mr. Peter. Peter Parker. Nicole. All right, Nicole. Anybody else? Guys, once I see 75K, I'm just gonna spin the wheel. I'm not gonna wait for anybody. You need to message on the YouTube chat because this spin, I'm gonna specially spin on the YouTube only. Why? Because then the people they watch there, I mean, we have 10 seconds timer on. So you need to message in the Discord in the 10 seconds. If not, then yeah. Okay, this is going to be our timer. 10 seconds set. So far we have 16 entries. Anybody else wants to participate in this giveaway? Message right now. Okay. We are 8K away from spinning the wheel. Break the screen, guys. Break the screen. Guys, this is for everybody. Whoever message on the YouTube gonna get it. Message on the YouTube for the giveaway. All right, 7K away from hitting that. So far, 16 entries. Let me add myself. If I'm the winner, then what? Yeah, let's see. That's for fun. Okay, it looks like it's pushing up, and I am 20 ticks away from getting out from this trade. Okay, I already booked some partials because the price pushed down around 100 ticks from my entry. That's more than enough. Me, Jane. Jane is like, don't forget me. Yes, sir. You're here. Jane, of course, right next to me. Pablo. Pablo, you were here when we spin that 50K one. Pablo is here. Okay. Anybody else? Guys, we are 6K away from spinning the wheel. Hurry up. Thank Yeah, we so far we have 19 entries. So Angela, all right, Angela, you're here. My thumb. Yeah, you can take rest after 75. Okay. Everybody help all adds up or all minus, all minus down. Angie, yes, you're in. Any re-entry? Look at these guys. Oh my god, Mr. N. Guys, we're 5K away. Hurry up, you can do this. Everybody, the amount of people we have right now here, if everybody do the tap tap in next 2 minutes, we're gonna start spinning the wheel. 20 entries so far, it's good. You have more chances to win it. If anybody still wants to participate before hitting 75K likes, you need to message on the YouTube chat. That's it. Yo, what is yo? If you say yo, I would say wo. Yo, wo. All right. It Yeah, it take me out at BE after taking the partials. That's fine. Even with this crappy price action, we're still able to catch 100 ticks. That's good. Not bad. Guys, I'm also hungry, so hurry up. Do the tap tap. 3K more. You can do this. Plus 4 hour also flipping. The daily is also flipping. So if it take you out, I would say it's better to call it a night. Why? Because right now, when the daily and 4 hours starts doing its flippy business, I would say stay out of that at that point. Because yes, we already took those cells on the flip towards bearish side because the daily have no lower wick. Now it's created its lower wick and the trend is still bullish. So most likely it can push up again. Who knows, right? So it's better to stay out of that. All right, we're 2K away from spinning the wheel. So okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. So right now, only the YouTube people can see the wheel. Okay. I'm not gonna call out any name. So people only on the YouTube can see the wheel. Can you add me, please? Angela, you're already in. Okay. So you need to message. Okay. So what you can do here, don't message in the Discord, just message on the YouTube chat. Let's do that. That would be better. Or Discord. Kitty, what you think? Should we make it more complicated? Hurry up, guys. All right, 20 entries, good entries. I'm gonna shuffle the names and now I'm gonna start spinning. Hi, add me. How many likes? Okay, we hit the 75K likes. No more ad, guys. Whoever name is in, I would say come to the YouTube, and you will have what? Let me. All right, you will have what, 10 seconds to message in the YouTube chat. Okay, for having this account. Okay, got it. Message in the type one in the YouTube chat so I know you can hear. All right, Amir, JB. All right, Street View, Peter. All right, all right. It looks like everybody is ready there. Okay, now I'm gonna start spinning, and whoever names show up. Actually, we have 20 entries. Can we do the last man standing? What you guys suggest? What you guys suggest? No more entries though. Okay. All right. So last one, Mark. Okay, chat, YouTube chat. Message one for the last man standing, and message two for whoever lands on. Let's do that because this is just you. No, no TikTok garbage. All right, last man standing. Why everybody likes last man standing though? But then in last man standing, guys, you won't be okay. All right, let's do the last man. It's your call. Okay. Who's the who's the first? Let's see. Yeah, if it's last man standing, then it's fine. The TikTok people they can see because it doesn't matter at that point. Mr. Pablo. Osmo, yes, load up. You're winner, man. You just win. You just win. You just win 500K account. All right, Mr. Rasta or Miss Rasta. Trading solution. Mark. Mark. Congratulations, Mark. You're out. G Rider. Bye bye, G Rider. Bye bye. Trading solution out. Very nice. Very, very nice. Mr. Muller and Sandy Baji. Loji Sandy Baji. Game over. Jose, of course. Of course. Mr. Amir. Jojo. Jojo. Are you the same Jojo who win the last time? Mojo Jojo. Kitty is still surviving though. Oof. Oof. Oh, oh. Who's out? Siam Boga. Alright, so far Jean is in. Kitty is in. All adds up still in. Nicole is out now. Bye, Nicole. Load up is still in. And Peter and Ijaz. I'm not sure about those two buddies, but oops. Oops. Everything is minus now. Meow. Ah, Peter. All right. So it's between Jin, Ijaz, Load Up, Kitty, and Load Up. You're out, man. Congratulations. Now you should back to sleep. Kitty has hacked the wheel. Yes, definitely. Look at guys. What is this? How come she's still surviving it? The second time. Let me do the shuffle. Okay, I'm shuffling these names. All right. So, what you think, guys? Who's gonna win, Mr. Ijaz, Jane, or Kitty? Who's gonna win? Hater. Kitty. Okay, Kitty. Kitty's gonna win. Let's see. But she don't get the 25K accounts anymore. She's like, I only like 50Ks. That's it. All right, Kitty, Kitty, Kitty. Let's see. I think she's gonna be the out. Oh, Ijaz or Jane? Jane. She's like, wow. All right, now should I add myself now? Okay, let's do this just like this. So how you guys want to do it? Ijaz and Kitty. Last man standing, right? Kitty last man standing, right? I guess. Okay. Yeah, last man standing. All right. All right, let's see. Ready? But how come Kitty still survived? Again, every time. Next time, guys, you should also add Kitty with your name. All right, let's see. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Kitty is the winner. Wow. Now this is really hacked. This is hacked. By the way, congratulations, Kitty. Congratulations. Ijaz, yes, I see you're here, but you didn't win it, man. Kitty, man. No, Kitty is uh, flying. All right, congrats, Kitty, on your 25K Lucid biggest account. That wheel is broken. Yep. Or Kitty, you wanna okay. Surprise, surprise. Yes, yes, pa. You wanna okay. I'm gonna give you one choice. Since you're also in the VIP, right? You wanna do the gamble? So it's it's going to be my name and your name. Okay. If I win, you're not gonna get anything. Zero. No giveaway, no 25K, no 50K, nothing. But if you win, you will get the 50K account. You wanna do that? If you win, you will get the 50K account. If you lose, you get nothing. Or you can leave that offer and just take this 25K and call it a night. No, not both. No, 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 not both. You need to choose one option. Either you get this 25K account, go to sleep, that's confirmed with you, or you will get 50K account if you win that spin, or you get nothing if you lose that. No 25K, no 50K. You can ask chat for the help, call a friend, you can do whatever you want to do. It's a setup. Maybe I'm giving you the best offer. Look, you need to choose. No, but that's no fun then. Then we can spin for everybody. Here's the control of the wheel. You win. No, it's YOLO. You either win big or you win nothing. Okay, then enjoy the 25K. But chat is saying, Kitty, you should try the 50K one. That's not a bad offer though. If Reese here in the chat, he probably like Kitty YOLO. You can do this. I'm giving you a good offer. You either win 50K. Look, Tom is saying, Kitty, you will be happier with 50K. Guys, don't you think I'm giving her a good offer? Like she can win big. A 50K account. All just one spin away. She's away one spin away for getting 50K account. It's a gamble. Man, Jin, everything in the life is gamble. Trading is gamble. Having a relationship is gamble. Giving your money to the pro firm is gamble. Spinning the wheel and try to win the 50K account is a gamble. Yes. So this might be your test. Who knows? 50, look, Tom is saying 50% chances it's a good deal. You have you have 50% chance to win that 50K account. But you have 100%, but you have 100% chance. You already win that 25K. Okay, chat, okay, help Kitty out. Like, what you think is good for her? No, meanwhile, everybody in the chat, in their head, they're like, Kitty, you should keep it. But they just want to have fun and they're like, let's see this. She has a point. Yeah. Yeah. All right, keep it. It's your call. It's your call. I just give you an offer. Okay. All right. Done? All right. All right. All right. All right. It's done. Now, uh, you're gonna get the 25K account, okay? I'm gonna, huh? What? No, you win the 25K, right? And you're like, no, 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 no. I'm not gonna do it. Wait. First I'm gonna send you that 25K, and after that I'm gonna do something. Something. Let's see. So you cannot get out from that deal. Or you want me to do it first and then give you the Nobody knows. Nobody knows. No. All right. You know what? Just keep your 25K account, right? I'm going to send you right now, okay? The deal is done. Good? We're good? Good. Sends me a thumbs up in the chat so I know, okay, the deal is done. It's locked in. Now somebody's getting greedy. Kitty is getting greedy. She's like, Tim, Tim, okay, send the thumbs up in the chat so we know for sure the deal is done. Because then you're gonna be like, maybe, yeah, maybe, yeah, maybe, yeah. No, send a thumbs up. Okay, it's done. Which game? The fifth, the 50K one. Just take the 25K account. Call it a night. Okay. All right. Yeah, you're gonna get the 25. All right. Take care. Bye. Uh, yeah. We're just looking the gold to fall. Hmm. Yeah. No, it take me out though. I'm not. Yep. All right. Since you didn't get that deal, let's just spin the wheel and see what's in your end. What you think? You wanna try? So you know what you missed. You probably, who knows, might ended up winning that 50K account if you gamble. Shuffle the shuffle the account. All right, shuffle the names. Let's see. Good call. No, it was the first man standing. No, no. We usually do the. We usually do. Okay, okay. We can spin again. We can spin again. Now choose first man or the last man. First man. No, we need to stay at the same course. So this is going to be the best of three. No, 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 no. It's yeah. All right. So first man, right? Best of three. Best of three. So this is going to be all right. The first spin is I win, of course, for oof, oof. All right. No worries, no worries. One win. Let's see. I'm gonna win this one. I know. Push, 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 push. See, now who's gonna win this one is the winner. Let's see. 50K or nothing. Let's see. See, you could have win that 50K account, but you choose not to gamble. So now enjoy that 25K. That's it. That's all you get. No. Mm. All right, guys. The move is done. Yeah, I'm also. Yeah, me too. All right, take care. No, it's the same time. That's medium impact news. Uh, I mean, on no, wait. Today's Tuesday or Monday? Yeah, Monday. Okay, yeah. I was like, yeah. So Wednesday we have 8:30. Bunch of news is high impact. But tomorrow it's gonna be chill. Wednesday is going to be some. We're gonna see some fireworks. All right. Good session. Good trade. One trade. Yeah. Mm, mm. Yeah, definitely, definitely. All right. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys. So yeah, Chad. Any last minute